Hello everyone, in this video we have been given x plus y equal 2 pi divided by 3 and cos x plus cos y equal root 3 divided by 2. 0 less than equal x, y less than equal pi divided by 2. Now we are going to find the value of x divided by y. Answer: cos x plus cos y equal root 3 divided by 2 cos a plus cos b equal 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2. Then 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 into cos x minus y divided by 2 equal root 3 divided by 2. X plus y equal 2 pi divided by 3. Then we get 2 cos 2 pi divided by 2 into 3 into cos x minus y divided by 2 equal root 3 divided by 2. Then 2 cos pi divided by 3 into cos x minus y divided by 2 equal root 3 divided by 2. Cos pi divided by 3 equal 1 divided by 2. Then 2 into 1 divided by 2 into cos x minus y divided by 2 equal root 3 divided by 2. Then cos x minus y divided by 2 equal root 3 divided by 2 equal cos pi divided by 6. Then cos pi divided by 6. Then x minus y divided by 2 equal pi divided by 6. X minus y equal 2 into pi divided by 6, then equal pi divided by 3. Then x minus y equal pi divided by 3 equation 1, and x plus y equal 2 pi divided by 3 equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2 we get x minus y plus x plus y equal pi divided by 3 plus 2 pi divided by 3. Minus y plus y cancel. Then 2x equal LCM 3, then pi plus 2 pi divided by 3. Then 2x equal 3 pi divided by 3, then 2x equal pi, x equal pi divided by 2. Putting x equal pi divided by 2 in equation 2, then we get x plus y equal 2 pi divided by 3 pi divided by 2 plus y equal 2 pi divided by 3, then y equal 2 pi divided by 3 minus pi divided by 2, then equal LCM 6, then 4 pi minus 3 pi divided by 6, then equal pi divided by 6, then x divided by y equal pi divided by 2 divided by pi divided by 6 equal pi divided by 2 into 6 divided by pi. Pi cancel, 2 3 are 6, then equal 3. Thus, our answer x divided by y equal 3.